In this video I'll show you how to remove the center panel, okay, of this Mitsubishi Outlander Sport or Mitsubishi ASX or RVR, depending on which country you're currently located. I will also show you how to remove the side air vents in case you want to replace them. These breaks quite often. Actually, let's start with these. So all you have to do is to take a flathead screwdriver, a butter knife, and you need to glide it right under over here, okay? Glide it under the vent slightly, you don't have to go deep, and then you simply have to pry again just a tiny bit. You see the vent came out, and now you can take it out with your fingers. Do the same thing for the other side vent and for the middle bezel over here. In case you want to change your radio, you simply have to put the flathead screwdriver, the butter knife, again it must be thin so you don't damage the dash, put it and unclip. Okay, great. And once you get the gap big enough for your fingers, go ahead and pull. Now the vents may detach, that's not an issue, it's actually quite easy to put them back. Okay, to put back the vents, you see they're held by clips. You simply have to align them, and here you go, they're back. You may have some connectors. If there's some connectors that you want to detach, you simply have to push on the latch of the connector, okay, and pull. And this is how you get the center bezel out, and you'll be able to access the radio right over here. This is an aftermarket radio that is held by Phillips head screws, one here, one there, another one here, and another one there. If your OEM radio doesn't have Phillips head screws, you may need a 10mm bolt socket, but the bolts will be over here, over there, same placement. So this is about it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to check my Amazon links down below if you want to get some tools that I have used.